here we are, Tony Caputo, and we're cooking.
In the flesh. Here we are.
The famous Tony Caputo in the flesh.
Wow.
I just feel so thrilled that I get to cook with you.
But we're not cooking.
Well,
we're mixing.
Okay, we're not cooking, we're mixing. Okay.
One thing, here's what I've been kind of trying to do. It's so hot in the summer. The last thing we want to do is go home and turn on ovens and stoves and things like this.
True.
This does include some roasting of peppers, but you know, that's what the barbecuer is for.
And you're going to teach us how to do this? You know, my mother used to roast peppers and I never learned from her. So I need to, and she doesn't remember how to do it very much anymore.
Maria, what are we going to do?
I know, I know.
Okay, well, here's how we roast peppers. We take a pepper, you turn on the barbecuer, and you put it on.
Oh, okay, I can do that.
Then every once in a while, you turn it around to make sure that it chars and it just doesn't burn.
Okay.
And it takes, you know, you want fairly low heat. The lower you do it, and the longer period of time, the sweeter these things are going to come out.
Okay. She used to do it on like a metal thing on the stove. I remember seeing her, but
on the stovetop, you can do it in the oven, but during the summer, we want it outside.
In the grill.
Oh,
I agree,
man.
totally.
Yeah, so, and then you take it off the grill, you put it in a paper bag or a plastic bag for about 5 minutes, and look at this. This skin just comes off so easily.
Now, why do you put it in a bag?
Because it helps steam this and make the skin come off. And not that the skin is, you know, the end of the world if you get it in the recipe, but it's kind of tough and
I love roasted peppers.
Yeah, roasted peppers.
When my mother would cook those, she would do a whole bunch in one day and the whole house smelled wonderful.
Oh, man.
And I would go and take one when she wasn't looking.
We actually wait until the end of the year when these come out and do bushels at a time.
Bushels at a time.
Bushels, and keep them, I package them up and keep them in the freezer all year.
So can I go and buy some at your store?
No.
No?
Those are for me. And when you roast peppers, you don't roast it. It's not fun enough to do for other people, but it's fun enough to do for yourself.
True, true.
So let's chop this pepper up. It doesn't have to be too fine. We're going to just cut it up. Here, you cut it up.
I can do this. I can do this.
I'm going to hold. I'm your assistant. I'm your lovely assistant.
He's my lovely assistant, yes.
And I'm going to hold the bowl.
Okay.
And then we'll just dump
Do
those
we care
in.
how big?
Isn't that weird how sticky these are?
They are very sticky.
It's the sugar in them.
Is that right?
Yeah, and that's why it's so sticky. It's like playing with,
They're
you know,
so
fooling
yummy.
around with candy.
But this is good sugar. This isn't like the kind of sugar that
this
Dr.
is the
Judy
real
was
stuff.
talking about.
We're going to just, I'm
this is
tearing
all
this one up.
right. This is all right and good for us. Okay, you want me to throw them in there?
Throw them in there.
Okay.
Then I've got a clove of garlic here that we will chop.
Okay.
And let's just do that quickly. I've just got my little knife here, so
You're
we
much
can slice
faster
this
than I am.
thinner.
I have a mortar and pestle that I...
You know, I'll
that
tell
bad?
you, no, it's not necessarily bad, but the more you crush the fibers of the garlic, the more bitter it will be.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's like money in the bank knowing that.
Yeah, that's really... That explains a lot of times when I wonder why my
Now we know the trouble with the world.
Oil.
You know, that explains a lot.
We know the trouble with the world. That's right.
Artichoke hearts. These are roasted. I'm going to break them up.
Did you roast those too?
No, somebody roasted these for me.
Okay, so those we can buy at the market?
Those we can buy at my market.
Okay, good.
Roasted tomatoes we can buy at my market. And then we just mix this together.
By the way, I'm out of everything. I need to come and stock up on everything again.
Okay, well, I have everything.
Good.
So,
I know you do. I know you do. I just haven't gotten there, so I need to come.
A little balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar is fine.
Either way.
Yep.
Okay.
Little olive oil. And you mix it up and let it roast or let it marinate for, an hour or two.
That means we'll have to take it home to eat it, huh?
Well, it means we will, but we'll have to get this one that I already made.
Oh, there we go.
And we'll put some bruschetta here.
Tony takes care of our crew. Okay, now what are we going to do with these?
We're going to take these that I've already done. I've got some goat cheese here, just for the two of us.
Oh.
I put some goat cheese on here. We'll take this. Now, this is going to be a bit messy when you crunch into this. So, lean over the table so it falls on the table.
And now, do I put a leaf on it?
No, you can if you want. I mixed the leaves in here.
Oh, so I'm ready to...
Everything's ready. Peppers.
Hey, we should invite Danny and Vanessa to come try it.
Why?
Let's be nice. I don't know. Maybe not.
Maybe on a holiday.